Hey there, Edge Traders. In this video, we're gonna be talking about the best Forex trading robot and 5 things that you should look for when choosing a trading robot. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna be talking about the best Forex trading robot, but more importantly, I wanna give you information and 5 things that you need to look for when you're choosing an expert advisor, choosing a trading software, or an auto trader. These are things that you actually need to look for, okay? Now, let me tell you the quick backstory before I get in through 1 through 5. When I first got into trading and started studying and started absorbing all this stuff, it all seemed to sound like you need to trade like a robot, right? You need to follow a system, you need to trade unemotionally. And so for me, just logically, it made sense that, okay, if I'm following these rules manually, then why couldn't something be automated to do it? And so when I came across this world of auto traders or Forex robots, I got really excited that I could have a lot of this process automated, and I'm an emotional guy, right? So I make emotional decisions like everybody does. So this was really, really exciting to me. And I tried a whole bunch of different expert advisors or trading robots, and to be honest, most of them failed me. I mean, I lost money in the majority of them. I blew entire accounts. I probably blew 3 or 4 entire accounts using trading robots. And so
well, that's fantastic. A really smart decision, young man. We can put that check in a money market mutual fund. Then we'll reinvest the earnings into foreign currency accounts with compounding interest, and it's gone.
it was like kind of like a mission of mine to go out there and find something that actually really worked. And so we went out, me and my 2 partners, and we literally reviewed every single Forex trading robot that's on the marketplace today. I mean, we talked to so many different developers. I mean, we ran millions and millions of back tests, and this is our criteria for finding a good trading robot. So if you're using one right now, then this may save you a lot of money from blowing your account eventually down the road. Or if you're looking for one, this will actually give you great information on what you should actually look for. And we'll also go ahead and tell you about our trading robots. Obviously, I think we have the best, but I'm a little bit biased, but that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to educate you on what you should actually be looking for. So the first thing that you should be looking for when testing a trading robot or a trading system is you need to back test the system. There's a famous book on Forex called Naked Forex. I think it was written by the guy that started the brokerage FX Choice, but he basically says that that's how professional traders have confidence, is they back test their systems over time. Now, he was talking about a manual or an automated system, but in this case, we're talking about an automated trading system. So what is backtesting? Backtesting is simply running your trading system over a historical period of data. Now, why this is important is because it'll give you a lot of insights about how your trading system actually performs and how it actually trades and how it was likely to perform over time. Now, to run a backtest, there's a few different things that you can do. You can do it in MT4, MT5, or if you have a multi-pair system, meaning that your trading strategy is a conglomerate of different currency pairs that it trades, then you can use something called Quant Analyzer, which I love Quant Analyzer. It's a really sophisticated tool where you can upload all of your back tests and you can see a whole bunch of really intricate data about what's actually happened with your trading system. Now, I like to make sure that my trading system has lasted at least 10 years. All of our systems, they've lasted at least 16 years in a back test. If you're using a trading robot, you're planning on using a trading robot that you can't back test, I don't know, I think you'd be absolutely crazy to try and forward test that with your real money. It just, I don't know, it just doesn't make any sense to me. So back testing, when we're back testing, we're looking at how much is the max drawdown, right? Like how much risk is our account at? We're looking at stuff like the win to loss ratio. We're looking at stuff like the average size that a winning trade is or the average size that a losing trade is. Another thing that we really look for to figure out the worst case scenario, robust maximum consecutive losses that happen in a row. So let's say that it's 30, and then we multiply that times the average loss, which let's say was $100. At that point, you know, your maximum drawdown in a worst case scenario would be like $3,000, right? So that's number 1, is back testing your system. You have to do that absolutely. The longer you can back test, the better, okay? Second thing is to forward test your system. And obviously this is incredibly important. Even if you've back tested, back test can be different than forward test. So what you want to do is at least forward test for like a couple weeks or a month, and then you want to compare, okay, are these parameters matching up to the back test? Is the win-loss ratio similar? Is the average win or average loss similar? Is the average trade duration, is it similar in forward testing as it is in back testing? Because the more you can match these two up, the greater probability you have of having a winning system moving forward into into the future. So forward testing, obviously you can start forward testing with a demo account before going into live accounts. So start with a smaller account, and then as you gain more confidence, you can obviously deposit more and more money. So forward testing. The third thing is risk management. Now this is extremely important about how does your system actually manage risk. Now there's a lot of trading systems out there, a lot of EAs or auto traders out there that are complete garbage when it comes to money management and how it manages risk. And you want to be looking at, does it follow good proper risk management rules? Is it risking, like 0.5% or 1% or 2% of your account? And the other thing that you want to make sure you look for is there's a lot of martingale bots that are out there, and the vast majority, 99.9% of them are complete crap, and you're going to blow your account at some time. So that's one thing that you want to look out for. Is it stacking continuous positions on top of each other when it's in a losing trade? And that's just a recipe for disaster in a lot of the cases. So you want to be careful about that. Main thing here is you want to make sure that it manages risk properly, that it doesn't, get too risky with your account. You can look at the max drawdown statistic again to get a better idea of that. Okay, number 4, this is really important, is the actual company that's selling you the EA. A couple things that you want to look for is, number 1, do they have active development? Is there people that are actually trying to improve the system month after month? Is there people that are looking at it statistically and trying to improve it? Are you just buying off some random crappy blog article or something free that you downloaded from the internet, which would be I don't think intelligent. So active development, because trading systems change over time and the market changes over time, so the better you can continue to develop a system, the better it can do in the future. Second thing that you should be looking for inside of the company that's selling it is what kind of support do they offer? I know that most expert advisors or trading robots offer horrible support, and that's why at our company, Blue Edge Financial, we offer 24/7 live chat support almost instantly, because you're gonna have questions. You're gonna need questions about how to set up, especially if you're trading live. Is this normal? Is this not normal? What's going on here, right? So there's a lot of things that can go up wrong with the setup process. So you want to make sure that you have good support and that you can actually contact somebody that knows a little bit about the system. And the next thing about the company is, do they have a money back guarantee? A lot of these companies, they're just trying to sell you a robot or a trading system or some sort of software, and they don't offer a money back guarantee because they know that their software is not that good and it's not going to stand the test of time, and it's likely to blow your account relatively soon. So that's one of the things that you should look for. Number five thing that we look for, or you should look for when choosing a trading robot, is social proof. Okay, can you find a community of people that are using this successfully, that have great results? And obviously the more that people that are using it, obviously the more confidence you'll have in actually choosing to use that trading system. Okay, so that's 1 through 5. Those are 5 things that you can look at when trying to discover what should be your next trading system, or if you should actually use an auto trader or actually not use it, because 99.9% of the ones are complete crap out there. Again, I'm biased. I think that we have the best trading systems and the best auto traders and Forex robots that are out there, but that's up for you to decide. So again, if you like this video, if you want to see other videos like this to help you gain an edge in the trading markets, then go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next video.